between 11 and 2 o'clock. Circadian, ooh, Circadian, I think.
Yes.
You said 11 and 2?
Between 11 and 2, you should have your heaviest meal, which is really difficult, right? Because what do we want to have? Like a really nice, hearty dinner. But guess what? When you're eating that heavy dinner, like your goal is to finish your large. If you can't do that, or you're moving towards that, we're always moving towards the optimal. So like with my teacher, everyone's like, oh my God, he's so extreme. He's giving you the optimal situation, right? With Dr. Africa, he's giving you the optimal situation. But when we did consultations, when we learned to be consultants with him, he's like, okay, so you told someone to drink water, but they drink soda. They're not gonna stop drinking soda, but what you can tell them to do is you can dilute that soda with some water and then take it away slowly, all right? So breakfast ideally should be light. Fruits, and you can make like a nice cereal, but a lot of these cereals that are processed are just high in sugar. Like even like the best ones they're not optimal for the energy that you need, especially as yoga practitioners and teachers. I like green smoothies because I'm getting a lot for the price of one. I'm getting 2 to 3 servings of my fruits and vegetables in that smoothie, and I'm also getting that water that I don't want to think about. Like I don't want to have to hold a gallon of water all day with me, right? So in the smoothies are not as challenging as they seem. You can make it exciting. I'm a smoothie bowl professional, and what a smoothie bowl is almost like ice cream. So you make it super thick, and then you add your superfoods in it, like your hemp seeds and stuff like that, and then you have it. And so then it's easier for your digestive system to work with that than for you to have my former favorite T-bone pancakes, hash brown, and eggs. I forgot that. I did, and I had eggs with that too.